everyone, today we're going to be looking into angle sum theorem. So this theorem states that the sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So these are the three corners or the three angles of a triangle. If we add all of these together, it's going to sum up to 180. There's a formula down here below. So if we add the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C, all these three will be equal to 180, whatever the shape of the triangle is, every time, no matter what. So let's have an example to see how this works. By the way, these letters or these vertices that we have here, vertices A, B, and C, it can be any letter. These are variables. They have been assigned A, B, and C, but it doesn't have to be A, B, and C in every triangle. So let's say, for example, this problem right here. So the letters that we're using is, this is triangle KMH. So how do we find for X? So we're looking for X here. So again, it doesn't have to be A, B, C. So in this case here, this is what we need to do. We're going to write the X first. So X plus... and then we write these two other triangles that are given. So that's 55 degrees plus 70 degrees. And that is always equal again to 180 degrees every time, no matter what. So then from here, we can go ahead and add these two together. So combine like terms, the constant's gonna get added so that we're left with X here. So X, and we add 55 plus 70. I put a red color on this, and that is a 125 equals 180. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is to subtract 125 because we want X by itself. So minus 125 minus 125. So then we can go ahead and cross out 125 and 125. So it gets crossed out. So then we are left with X is equal to 55 degrees. So this X that we have right here is actually 55 degrees. And this makes sense because if we add, so we're going to label that over here. So this one is 55 degrees. And this makes sense because if I add 55 plus 55 plus 70 is 180. And so that is based on the angle sum theorem. At this time, I would encourage you to pause this video and try this problem on your own. And then when you're done, unpause it and check your answer. Okay, so let's try to see what answer you come up with this problem right here. So again, the first step that we're going to do is to write them all out. So we're given this triangle here. So that's X plus... it can be any of these. You can put any of these first. So that would be 80 plus 39 is again always equal to 180 degrees. So they all have degrees over here. The next thing that we're going to do is to add the constants first. So this would come out X, and then 80 plus 39 is 119 is equal to 180. We want X by itself. So we're gonna subtract 119 from both sides, 119 here. So then we go ahead and cross out the 119. And so we are left with X is equal to 61 degrees. And we can put the 61 right here. And then if we add 61 plus 80 plus 39 is 180. Did you get 61 in your work? Good. Perfect. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more math videos. See ya!